In this video, I am going to share my Trello template which I use to create educational resources for Teachers Pay Teachers and Amazon KDP platforms. And for someone who don't know about these platforms, Teachers Pay Teachers is a platform where teachers can sell their teaching resources to other teachers so that they could teach in a better way. And Amazon KDP is a self-publishing platform where teachers can publish their paperback books or ebooks. It is a self-publishing platform, and this Trello template will help you stay organized and focused on your task. And the reason behind is that these platforms, TPT and Amazon, they are very competitive markets, and you will not get noticed until you have a reasonable amount of content uploaded to these platforms. In simple words, you have to have few dozens of teaching resources or paperback books in order to get noticed. And the template which I am going to share will help you to work on at least 4 or 5 educational resources at one time. And this is a simplified version of my Trello template which I am going to show you today. So let's get started after a short break. Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Tahir and I make videos for educational technology tools for teachers and students. If you are interested in these topics, please hit the subscribe button and also the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new video on this channel. Now, if you are not familiar with Trello, I have few more videos about this software which you can watch on my channel. But the beauty is that Trello is very simple software yet very powerful, and you can organize your stuff on this very easily. In Trello, you have boards, lists and cards. So this is my board. This is the name of the board, TPT Resource Development. And I have few lists on this board. Every column is a list, and you can see that there are few lists here. Then we have these cards, and every card is a specific task. When we start a project, we move from the left side towards the right side. So this is a general practice when using Trello. Now let us see how this template works. In my first column on the left hand side, there is one card for brainstorming. So what you can do is you brainstorm about your future products and you can put some ideas on this card. You can click on this and you can put some ideas here. For example, I might develop a resource for grade 9 and 10 about exponents, or I might develop a math activity book for grade 3 or 4. So you start putting your ideas here, then you look at your own statistics and your own products which are selling good. You can get some ideas from there. You can get some inspiration from other TPT or Amazon sellers. Then what you do is, in the final card of this column, if I click on that, you put all your finalized ideas that I am going to create these 5 products, and initially there were 5 things here, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So I have moved 2 of them to my other columns, and what you do is, once you have finalized the idea, you click on these 3 dots and you can create a card from this idea. So let us create a card. I will just create one card and then I will explain the template. And there is no unique solution. You can create your own template, get some ideas from my template and create your own. That would be even better. So now I create a card here, and now this card has been created. Now this is my product number 3. And if you look at these cards, this green color is called label, and there are 3 different colors. Trello labels are used to categorize different things, and I'm using green labels on those cards which are not associated to any one product. They are general cards. Then there are 2 products for which I have already created cards, just like I created for this product 3. And all product 1 cards are labeled in yellow color and all product 2 cards are labeled in blue color. So this is product 3. So I would label it with a different color, because you can later on filter based on the color of the card. So what I will do is I will click on this card, and in label area, let's give this card an orange color label. And now this is my product 3. I can immediately see that these yellow cards are product 1, blue is 2, this is product 3. But I am not going to pursue this card. I just showed you how you can create a card. Now you move this card to the next column, which is this column, getting started column. So I move this card here, and now I am working on 3 different products, 3 different teaching resources, or 3 different paperback books, or 3 different e-books, whatever. Now these are my resources, and resources means which I have previously created few templates. In this column I have gathered all my resources, and the way I do that is, so let us go to the top of this column, and I click on this LaTeX templates. If I click on that, I have these LaTeX templates which I have previously used for various teaching resources. And what I have done is I have linked my Google Drive with Trello. You can link Google Drive with your Trello board, and I have a separate video on this topic, how to link your Google Drive, on my YouTube channel, which you can watch. But once you have linked your Google Drive, then you will see this icon here, Google Drive icon. And what you can do is, if you want to link anything here, if you want to put anything on this card for your future reference or for your quick access, what you can do is you can click on this Google Drive icon, and then you have few options. You can attach a file or you can attach a folder. So I have attached a folder from my Google Drive, which is this folder name, and it has these files. So I can see my folder name and my files. If I want, I can remove this folder. So this is how you collect your resources in one of your columns. Similarly, if you are using some artwork and your artwork is stored on your Google Drive, you can click here and you can attach your artwork. If you have designed some Canva pages, you can attach your files here. Similarly, what you can do is you can attach your previous TPT products or Amazon products, or even your favorite artwork sellers. If you are buying some artwork from TPT, you can put their channel links here, their TPT store links in this card, so that you can quickly go there and get some fresh material if you want. Now, once you have started working on a product, then what you can do is, on each of these individual cards, you can create checklists. So just like this first one, where I created a checklist, as you can see that this is basically a checklist of ideas. In a similar way, what you can do is that for every product, you click on this card and you can create a checklist. Just click on checklist and you start typing your task which you want to perform for this product. So you might have 10 or 20 tasks before this product is complete. So I have not put a list here, but you will put a list here. And from that list, let me show you the next step. From that list, you might want to outsource few things. In particular, if you are creating Amazon KDP resources, you might want to outsource the cover page of your paperback book. So in that case, what you do is, because you don't want mistakes to happen, so my suggestion is that even if you are not outsourcing anything right now, because you are just starting up, you cannot afford to outsource or you don't want to outsource, even then what you should do is you should try to understand the best workflow for your business, and you start creating few videos, and those video resources where you want to train those people who will be working for you in the future, because a stage will come when your business will grow and you might want to outsource few things, and you want to teach those people who will be working on your projects how to do that the way you want to do that. So create few videos whenever you get time about your workflow, and then you upload those videos somewhere on your Google Drive or on your YouTube channel. Or if you don't want to create videos, write down the instructions in the PDF form and you create all those instructions for outsourcing your work. So this is my card for my training videos. I click on that, and here I have written some description for someone who might be using this template, that what you should do about this. So this card has the details of your training material. Then the next card, if I click on that, you should write something about the people to whom you have given the access. For example, in your Canva account, if you have given access to someone about your Canva folders, because you can give access to your team members in Canva by using their emails. So you will put their details, the name of the person, their email, and the period you want to give access to. So you put every detail here for all the people. In particular, for example, if you have given access about your YouTube channel, for example, you want to put here. So training videos and PDFs, access details, and then what task of product 1 or product 2 you are going to outsource. You put all these in this column. Now the remaining task you are working yourself. So you put in this column that these are the tasks on which I am working. Now for these tasks which you have outsourced, you must put a deadline and you must watch that card. Watch is a feature in Trello, so that if something happens to this card, if somebody puts something, you will get a notification. To do that, you click on the card, you select the deadline. So you can select any date from here, save, and then you scroll down and you click on watch card. I am currently watching this card. If you don't want to watch the card, you simply click again and you are not watching this card. And the cards you are watching, you will see that this eye symbol will be there. So you will understand that you are watching this card and you have put a deadline. The task which you are working on, you can also put a deadline on that as well. And then what happens is that once you have finalized a product and you have received the deliverables from your team, then you can finalize the product, means you can upload on TPT or Amazon KDP. There are certain steps involved. You can put a deadline for this product or the target date for this product here. Then finally, once you have uploaded the product, now you have to market the product. So you can put certain tasks for example, Pinterest, or on Instagram you want to promote the product. So these are 2 tasks for Pinterest. How many pins you want to create, how many posts you want to create. So you put details on this card so that you can realize how much work you have to do. So this is the final step. Now, as you can see here, that you can accommodate 4 or 5 products at the same time, and within 1 month you can create maybe 2 cycles. So after 15 days you can create 5 other products. So if you work in fortnightly manner, you can create 10 products per month, which is quite reasonable, because within 4 or 5 months you will start getting few sales on these platforms. Now the beauty of Trello is that this template can be used for any content creation process, not necessarily for creating teaching resources. You can use this for creating your, for example, YouTube videos or for your online courses with a little bit of modifications. So I hope that you like this video and you get some value. If so, please like this video so that this video could reach more people. Thanks for watching and see you next time.